Hey there, Galen here with Unity Stamp Company. Today I'm showing a Shabby Chic card that's also clean and simple looking. I'm going to show a little bit of foiling and a tiny bit of coloring. I have Unity Stamp Company pattern paper called Rustic Textiles, and I'm using the light wood background for part of the card, and I'm using the Unity Stamp Company kit called Rustic Wishes. I have my Creative Time scalloped oval dies, and I have assorted adhesive pearls and a strip of lace and a pink card base. I'm using Gina K Designs fancy foils, and that color is Passionate Pink. I'm using assorted Copic markers in pastel colors for this. So I decided to trim a small piece of that wood pattern paper just for the base. And I am going to adhere and trim a piece of lace just to go behind the deer stamped image. And for this antler scene, I recommend that you stamp it with Copic friendly ink or ink great for your markers, and color it in, and then stamp it again using a stamp positioner, and stamp it again in an embossing ink, something like Versamark, or you can use anything that you like to heat emboss, because for foiling it works best if you heat emboss the image. You can use clear embossing powder, and it doesn't really matter what type of embossing you use. And then once it's finished, cover the stamped image for foiling with a piece of foil with the pretty side up. Now I use a heated laminator. I heat my laminator for at least 5 minutes before I use it. And so I let that run through, and I carefully peel off the foil, and you'll see a pretty image as well as some of the coloring in the background. Now, some people don't like to color over the foiling, just so that some of that foil doesn't get removed from the alcohol markers, so I like to color first. So I pre-die cut that piece, and I added foam tape, and I just added that foiled deer right there on top of the card. I added some adhesive pearls and a little bit of twine. And it's so easy and so quick, and it's really sweet. I hope you like this. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.